Okay, so this is the part two to the video, and I forgot to mention before I took anything apart, I had taken out the battery, and I wanted to mention that first. So I pulled the screen back out, and the the ribbon cable wasn't connected, and the tape that I had put on wasn't stuck to it. So I corrected that problem, put it back together, and powered it up. The battery's still in it, and I want to show you that it did in fact come on. So there's just the one thing left to do is to make sure that this wire across the bottom is right. Get it into little grooves where it belongs, and then you take the plastic piece that goes around your screen, and let's see if I can get that in there properly. It's stuck down in there, and then you just go around and clip it back in. And it's not hard to clip in. And then there's two more screws on the front that go in. And the little pieces of plastic that I told you about, I have a pair of tweezers, and you can just set them over the hole, and there should be enough glue on them. Should be enough glue on them to re-stick them. Hopefully. Oh, if you don't knock the light over because it's in your way. Oh, I dropped it. So I have those stuck on, and I don't know what the message is I got there, but I want to show one more thing, saying, asking me to upgrade. Don't upgrade now because I'm in a video. So I'm going to power it down. Of course, we know it works. And there's a, if you close your screen, you can come back to the back, and I think maybe not. I was just wanting to make sure that the bedazzle was clipped in, because there's a couple of clips across the bottom too. So I think it's all good and it's ready to go. And that's an Acer 51 or a 5251 1513 replacing of the screen. And this screen I got is the matte finish, and I think it doesn't matter if it's matte or glossy when you order them, as long as the resolution and the backlighting is right. And I'll post the website where I got it from on the YouTube link. And thanks for watching today, and I hope this was helpful. And don't remove that tape from that ribbon, and you'll have an easier time pulling it into that slot, which was a little bit hard since I had removed the tape. So have a good day, and God bless.